I don't know if you guys see this, but we're the only snowboarders here right now. What's up, guys? Day one of week 2 is summer snowboard camp. We've got Blaze right here getting ready for the day, getting his bindings all set up. Got Noah. Nate. Or Nate. Oh, do I gotta restart it? No, I don't. Yeah, so we're about to head up the hill, get some turns today, get warmed up, take it easy at first. A little bit of rain, but it sounds like the locals say it's gonna be an epic week, so let's get going. Honestly, the stoke is high because I can't keep up with these guys. They're walking so fast. About to strap in, get on a lift, let's get it. So when Jonathan did a vlog at my home mountain, Beach Mountain, he talked about like how eerie it was, and he also made a reference to how similar it is to Mount Hood. So this is like my first time in Mount Hood, and it's like, I don't know, Jonathan, can you like put like that eerie kind of music just like the other video, maybe compare? Jonathan, that right there is Lee. Look at that view. Yo, so Blaze found like a little snow tunnel or something. Let's check this out.
At least a foot and a half or so.
Hey! What's up, Soapy?
Hi down there, man.
Like some people say it's puking, but it's raining. It's raining!
You know what all this rain reminds me of?
Look at that jacket.
Yeah. Today's sticker shout out!
I wasn't gonna do a sticker shout out, but they asked for it. So we got Miller Peterson with the Fire Evolution sticker on the helmet. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging a ski version of the Evolution sticker in Fire, by the way. We still have some of those in stock. If you're a skier, there's not many color options for the ski sticker, but that one's available. And then we got Derek Diller with the electric sticker on the snowboard. Also looking insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging Evolution merch. Guys, if you want any of the stickers, we have the ski stickers, the snowboard stickers, and tons of patterns. So check out the link in the description or the link that just popped up right here for Evolution stickers. They do support the dream, as well as if you want any of the hoodies, t-shirts, the long sleeves. Those are all linked in the description as well. Hats, like we have so much merch. And thank you to everyone that's still snagging merch throughout the summer. Now, if you can't tell, this was week 2, day 1. I had to leave because my daughter was being born. She's here now, and we love her to death. She's amazing. But we missed the second week of camp because of that. Michael filled in. He did a vlog. I think he did 2 vlogs, and then they kind of just gave up on the filming for the rest of the week, which totally understandable. And plus, Michael is not a vlogger, so I think he got kind of over it. But I'm doing the best to make a video with what I got for footage, and then I know today we'll make a video with the footage, but then tomorrow I don't know what. I don't know. I still got to go through all their footage, but I hope you guys are enjoying this footage. And then yeah, if you do snag merch, tag me on my Instagram. All right, enough talking. Back to the video.
Yeah, so we just took a little break. We got a little wet in those last few runs. We were like waiting for the weather to clear, but look, it's clearing up. You can see trees over there. Oh, we still might get a little wet, but we're all having a good time, getting our feet back on us.
High.
Yeah, dude, it's awesome.
Start it up.
There you go, let's go! Flat, underneath. Nice, dude. Let's try. Let's go.
Yeah,
How'd that feel?
it felt good, not too bad.
Is that your first time hitting a box?
No.
No, okay. Let's go. Nice. No. Oh, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Need to file that.
Yeah, file it down.
Hang on.
We're gonna fix that on your board tonight. We're gonna detune it a little bit.
I have never seen that in my entire life. Blaze, what do you got, the sharpest edges in the world? You ski racing out there, dude? You damaged the rail. Oh, you good?
Life is what you make it. I feel like I'm lazy. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit that I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper. Been all it for the waiters. But everything again.
Yo, look guys, it's Drew.
What's going on, guys? How we doing?
Man, day one in the books. All right, guys, that's a wrap on day one, week 2 with the crew, and yeah, it was a pretty good time. A little wet, but we're pumped up, stoked for the rest of the week. It's gonna be awesome.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I...
We're like on a glacier, dude.